Hey guys, what is up? This is Sahilvatsyt, and in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you install Mediatek driver in your laptop. So this will work for Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11. So first of all, you have to download this file, Mediatek driver auto installer version 1.1352. I'll provide you the link in the description box. You can download from here, or you can also Google it and download the same file. Okay, so after downloading this file, this is around 10 MB file. So you need to first extract it out. I have already extracted out over here, which you can see the same file. Then you need to open this folder, again one folder, then go to install driver.bat. okay, double click on it. After that CMD will be opened. Now you have to press any key in the keyboard to get started. I have pressed J, or you can press any key. Okay, so it will now automatically install, and just give the permission. So now it will start installing the drivers for Mediatek devices. So if you have Mediatek devices and you are having trouble connecting with your PC, so you can install the drivers over here. So here you can see that I have successfully installed the Mediatek drivers, and now I'm good to go and use my Mediatek processor phone on my laptop or PC. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll be making more tutorials that how to flash RAM, custom ROM related videos. So make sure you subscribe to my channel to get updated about those videos. So thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye.